How should I prepare the outside for an open house? Professional staging may include the exterior, but if you're doing it all yourself, try these 5 things. 1. Landscape and lawn. That's the first impression. Make it a good one. Mow, prune, edge, and get rid of junk. 2. Paint and clean. You don't have to do the whole house, but the front door and lintels should either be painted or cleaned. 3. Leaks and repairs. Small visible problems can become large mental objections and change how someone feels about your house. Fix them beforehand. 4. Pets. Some people have allergies and concerns. Time for Fido to visit a friend. You weren't including him with the house anyway. And 5. Get fresh eyes. Have your realtor or a friend who's willing to be candid tell you what you missed, or pay a staging professional for a report. We don't really see familiar things well, so let them be your test buyer so you can present the best first impression to the real ones.